Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power. Check the battery reads at least 6 volts and clean the negative terminal. Next, identify the Pcx160 diagnostic connector under the seat and prepare a Honda-compatible OBD adapter or a multimeter. Once done, don't skip reading the code. Use the adapter or service lamp to pull trouble codes and write them down. This tells you the root cause, so you know whether a repair or just an ECU reset will be the correct next action. With the codes in hand, diagnose and repair the underlying fault. For example, replace a bad O2 sensor, repair a frayed wiring harness, or address a vacuum leak. Those fixes stop the light from returning. Once the repair is complete, clear the memory. Preferred method is a Honda diagnostic tool to erase DTCs so the ECU relearns correctly. If you lack the tool, perform a controlled power cycle. Disconnect negative terminal, wait, then reconnect, but only after confirming repairs are sound. Reconnect the battery, tighten terminals, and start the scooter. Run it until normal operating temperature so the ECU completes its readiness checks. Once it cools, ride through a few normal drive cycles to allow relearning. Make sure the check engine light remains off and rescan for any codes. If the light returns, don't ignore it. Rescan immediately and focus on intermittent faults or sensors that may pass initial tests. Troubleshooting tip: if codes clear but light returns, the underlying fault wasn't fully repaired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.